So in this example we will calculate all the pharmacokinetic parameters. So the numerical is determine all the pharmacokinetic parameters if 250 mg of a drug is given to a patient by IV bolus route and drug follows one compartment kinetics. So we have been given data time in hours, plasma drug concentration in microgram per ml. So we will start with, first we will calculate the log values using formula equal log bracket start, then we will click on the concentration bracket close and press enter. Now we will drag to downward to apply the same formula on all the cells. So now we have all the log plasma drug concentration values. Now we will plot a graph between time on x-axis versus plasma drug concentration log on y-axis. So we will insert a chart. In quick layout we will change the layout. Okay, so this is the graph. On y-axis we have log C and on x-axis we have time in hours. So we will now add a trend line and we will display the equation on chart. So this is the equation of straight line. So it is y is equal to mx plus c. So we will now calculate the slope. Slope is already calculated in the graph, but we can also calculate it using a formula equal slope bracket start non y's y values comma non x values bracket close. So this is the value of slope. It is same as that in the graph. So now we'll calculate the intercept. Formula is same as slope, only difference is in that we write slope, in this we write intercept. The values of y and x are calculated in the same way. So we will select the y values, then press comma, then select the x values. Now we will close the bracket, press enter. Now we have the value of intercept. So first we will calculate the value of elimination rate constant Ke. So we know that the elimination rate constant can be calculated by multiplying slope into 2.303 minus slope into 2.303 is the elimination rate constant Ke. So we will put into the formula equal minus brackets minus bracket start, then we will put minus slope. Now we'll select the slope. Now we will put multiply sign into 2.303 bracket close. So this is the value of elimination rate constant Ke. The units are per hour. Now we will calculate T half. Formula is 0.693 upon Ke. So equal 0.693 divided by Ke. We will click on Ke, select it and press enter. So the T half is 2.05 and units are in hours. Now we will calculate the C naught. So as we know, the equation for one compartment open model IV bolus administration is log C is equal to log C naught minus Kt upon 2.303. So the intercept gives the value of the log C naught, and by taking antilog of the log C naught, we get the value of C naught. So we will start with entering equal 10 raised to the power the value of intercept. So this is the value of C naught, 5.75 microgram per ml. Now we will calculate the volume of distribution. It is in liters. So formula for volume of distribution is x naught upon C naught. So we know the x naught value is the amount of drug administered, that is 250 mg. So we will write formula equal 250 divided by C naught. So C naught is here, we will select it and press enter. So 43 liters is the volume of distribution. So there is one thing, that it is the dose is in mg, but we have to convert into microgram. So we will multiply mg with 1000. Okay, so this will give us the value in milliliters. So when we now to convert into the liters, we have to divide it. So the thing is same, but to explain I have done it. We will divide this value by 1000 and it will give you the value in liters. Okay, so now we will calculate clearance. Clearance for the formula is KE into VD equal KE, we will select KE into VD, volume of distribution in liters. So this will give us 14 liter per hour, that is the clearance. So this is the all the parameters we have calculated. Now we will also calculate the area under the curve. So area under the curve is the area under the time versus concentration curve. So first we will calculate a plot a graph, time versus concentration. Insert graph. So we will change the layout. So this is a graph, concentration, units are microgram per ml versus time. So time is in hours, we will write the unit. So this is the graph and we have to calculate the area under this curve. So how we can calculate it? We can calculate it using trapezoidal rule. So what trapezoidal rule says is equal to half, we can write 0.5 into C1 plus C2, this is C1 plus C2 bracket close into bracket start T2 minus T1, this is T1 bracket close, we will press enter. So it is showing some typo. Okay, we can accept this correction. So this is the area under curve for this portion, only the first point and second point. Now we will drag this formula to bottom to apply all the columns. So we will delete the last one because we cannot calculate the value beyond the point, last point, using this trapezoidal rule. So this is the all the AUCs. Now we will sum them, equal sum, bracket start, select all the values, bracket close. So this is the area under the curve from point 1 to last point. So from AUC from 1 to T equals this, that we have calculated the total. This is the area curve from first point to the last point. Last reading, that is the time. First point is 0.5 and last point is 4.5. So now we will, what we have to do is we have to calculate the area under curve 0 to T. 0 is at time 0. So at time 0 we have C naught the concentration, so we will use formula half we will write 0.5 into C1. C1 is C0 plus C1 into T1. So this is the AUC 0 to T 1.5. The units are microgram hour per ml. So now we have to calculate the area of the from T to infinity, that is the last point in the curve to the last point, the till infinity. So the formula is last concentration divided by Ke, last plasma concentration divided by Ke. So this is 4.22 microgram per ml. Now we will calculate the total area under the curve. It is the sum of these three values is equal to sum of all this value 0 to T, 1 to T and T to infinity. Bracket close, we will press enter. So this is the total area under the curve, 16.41 microgram hour per ml. So in this way we can calculate the various pharmacokinetic parameters. So as we can see from the graphs, the semilog graph is straight line and the normal graph is curve. So this shows that this drug follows first order kinetics. Okay, so all the parameters have been calculated: Ke, T half, C naught, Vd, clearance and area under the curve from the given data.